Hey there, Davers, Alec here. I'm just getting ready to go to Volkswagen and EcoMotion's event, which will talk about blockchain and mobility. Me, Daniel, Tal, and Rachel are going. We'll get you some cool updates from there. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Yesterday the main focus was still doing some final wrap-ups after the token sale, emails, community outreach, things of that sort. Today the main focus has been doing some work from a legal standpoint on some new updates and things we have to adjust, and then also working to fully update the content planner. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey guys, Alec, Daniel, and Tal and I spent the morning at the EcoMotion Smart Mobility Meets Blockchain event. I think it was a really great success. We met some exciting potential partners, and Tal represented DAV beautifully, of course. See you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today, this morning, me, Alec, Tal and Rachel were in a Smart Mobility Meets Blockchain event. Right now I'm back at the office transferring all the materials, and I'm going to review them, and that's it for now. See you next time.